Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to get sound from monitor without speakers. Alright, let's begin. First of all, use the HDMI audio extractor. The HDMI audio extractor is a device that splits the video and audio signals from your monitor to give you a usable output connection for both signals. Here are the steps for using the audio extractor. Ensure your computer's sound drivers are updated to the latest version. Then, connect the HDMI audio extractor to your monitor's HDMI port. The monitor's ports are usually located sideways. Simply, connect the HDMI cable from the computer to the audio extractor. Next, connect one end of the auxiliary cable to the HDMI audio extractor and the other end to the speakers or headphones. Finally, restart your computer and play a sound or a video on your computer to confirm your setup works. So that's basically how you can get sound from monitor without speakers. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.